Devadu. My sister name is Samika. We are telling Shiva story. Shivo Maheswara Shambhu Pinaki Sasisekaraः Vamadevo Virupakshः Kapaddi Neelalokitः Shankara Shulapanishya Katvangi Vishnu Vallabhः Siddhi Vishnombikanathः Srikanto Bhattavacharः Bhavasarvasvilokeshः Siddhikanta Shiva Priyः Ugrakapari Kamari Andakasura Sudanah Gangadharo Lalatakshः Kalakala Krupanidhi Bhimah Parasuhastascha Mrugavani Jatadarah Kailasavasi Kavachi Katoras Tripurantakah Ushango Ushabadrudo Basmodulita Vigrahah Samapriyaswaramai Sraimurti Raniswaraha Sarvajnah Paramatma Cha Soma Suryagni Lochanaha Haviryajnamaya Soma Panchavatra Sadasivaha Visveswaro Virabhatro Gananada Prajapatihi Hiranyareta Duddashyo Girisho Nagaha Bhujanga Bhushano Vargo Giridharma Giripriyaha Kritivasa Puraradit Bhagavan Pramatadipaha Mrutyunjaya Sushmatanur Jagadhyati Jagadguruhu Hiranya Yomakesho Mahasena Janakascharu Vikramaha Rudra Bhuta Patistanur Ahirbudno Digambaraha Ashtamurti Ranekatma Satvikaha Suddha Vigrahaha Saswataha Kanda Parasu Rajapasa Vimochakaha Mruda Pashupati Devo Mahadevo Yayo Harihi Yayo Padma Divadyadro Dakshadvara Haro Haraha. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe.